to upgrade your Pluxee account. 1. Open the Pluxee app, formerly Sodexo, on your phone. 2. Log in using your registered mobile number or email address. 3. On the home screen, tap your profile icon or open the menu in the top corner. 4. Go to Account Settings or My Account. 5. Look for an option labeled Upgrade Account or Upgrade to Premium. Verified. 6. Tap it and follow the on-screen instructions. You may need to complete KYC. Know your customer verification. 7. Upload the required ID proof. 8. Submit the form and wait for verification approval. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours. 9. Once approved, you will receive a confirmation message or email and your account will show as upgraded or verified. 10. You will now have access to additional benefits like higher spending limits, cashback offers, and more features.